miracle that many dreamed of, but only Ulsan achieved. The Taehwa River revived into a river of life instead of a river of death. It is the pride of Ulsan, a beautiful green eco city. Originating from Mount Gaji and Daegu, the 48-kilometer-long Taehwa River passes through downtown Ulsan and stretches to Ulsan Bay. The river is part of the rich history and culture of Ulsan, providing life to its people. However, in 1962, the river started to be polluted due to modernization. With sewage and wastewater pouring in, birds abandoned the river, shoals of fish died, and its bad odor became noticeable. It became a river of death, neglected by the citizens. No one could talk about the glory of Ulsan, the industrial capital that led Korea's modernization, without mentioning the gruesome spectacle created by the Taehwa River. In 2002, with the launch of the third popularly elected city government, Ulsan began to instill life into the Taehwa River. The 2004 Acropolis Ulsan Declaration was the prelude to its move towards creating a livelier river. First, to eliminate the source of pollution, all sewage and wastewater pouring into the river were completely blocked. Furthermore, 1.5 million tons of mud on the riverbed was removed, and 40,000 tons of maintenance water per day was secured to fill the river with clear water. To create an eco-friendly environment around the river, concrete blocks on embankments and shores were removed and remodeled with more natural materials. The banks of the Taehwa River were also dramatically improved. Private land littered with deserted greenhouses and garbage were purchased and turned into a walking path, a bicycle path, and gardens lined with flowers. It was possible thanks to the collaboration and commitment shown by the government, citizens, and corporations. Now, the Taehwa River is full of life. The quality of its water, which used to be unfit for agricultural use, increased to grade 1 in 2007. And the river became an ecological treasure house inhabited by 430 species of flora and fauna. Salmon, sweetfish, and otters that only live in drinkable grade 1 water return, along with the migratory birds such as egrets and rooks who flock here every year, making the river Korea's largest habitat of migratory birds. 4,000 egrets nestling and 46,000 rooks group dancing add to the spectacle that can only be seen here at the Taehwa River. The Taehwa River is also widely known as the nation's largest supplier of seed clams for short-necked clams. The Taehwa River is rapidly growing into a place of relaxation, leisure, and cultural activities most loved and visited by citizens. Every year, large-scale aquatic sports competitions and events such as the National Swimming Meet, the Water Festival, as well as boat and canoe races are held. Attracting a host of spectators who pour in, filling the entire city with a festive atmosphere. The Taehwa River was selected by the government as the most outstanding river among Korea's 100 beautiful rivers. Many visitors from Korea and overseas come to Ulsan to learn about the success story of the river transformed from a river of death into a river of life. Everyone is amazed at the Taehwa River's success story. Some say it's a miracle. However, the real change has not even begun yet. Construction of Taehwa River, reputed as one of the 3 most beautiful pavilions in Yeongnam, eco parks, and cultural centers built along the shores of the river. The 40-kilometer-long bicycle path that connects the upper and the lower stream of the river. The creation of Sunbawi Park, one of Ulsan's 12 panoramic views. And the restoration project for the ecosystems of the river are all helping the Taehwa River grow into a river that brings nature and humans together, providing citizens with a chance to relax and unwind. The Taehwa River is getting ready to make another leap forward to become a river globally recognized for its well-preserved ecosystems. As the model of the revitalization campaign for the 4 major rivers, the Taehwa River is giving new hope and emerging as the center of global attention. The river will continue to flow in the future, turning the dream of a greener Ulsan into a reality.